Came through the drum, then smoke through the trees. I told you, little bitch, and I fly to me. I get high as a bird, talking high, I can see.
Yeah, but one life to live out here in this world, man. If you don't do it right now, then when you gonna do it? If you don't do it for nobody else, make sure you do it for yourself.
If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. In today's video, I wanted to share a little project that me and my oldest son been working on, man. It's not 100% complete, but it's on its way there, and it's going to greatly help the content on this channel, especially when it comes to reviews and testing and all that. If you're interested in checking this little project out, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell to help grow and join the channel. And guys, I just dropped some more merch, man. The link to my merch will be in the description below. Y'all make sure y'all go over there, check it out, man. Here's the recent design I just dropped. Y'all can go over there and check that out, man. And also, if you're looking for anything car audio, home audio, ATV, UTV, whatever the case may be, man, y'all make sure y'all go over there and check out BIGJEFFaudio.com. Use my affiliate link in the description below and use discount code BassAddict. And also custom speaker pods, man. If y'all looking to upgrade your sounds without fully customizing your front, back doors or whatever, go over there and check out custom speaker pods, man, because I got some in my truck and I've been nothing but impressed since I put them in. I'm not gonna lie. But without further ado, let me show y'all what me and my son been working on, man. I'm pretty proud of myself and I'm proud of him, and we still got a ways to go, but it's on the way. Let me show y'all. Okay, guys, so as y'all can see, we have a testing / workbench that me and my son been working on. Yes, BassAddict been experimenting around with cutting wood and doing woodwork, because at some point in this YouTube thing, I want to be able to, you know, build my own enclosures and all that other good stuff. So I have been experimenting around. If I must say so myself, me and my son did a pretty damn good job. It's like the first structure I ever built out of wood, and it came out pretty fucking good, and it's super sturdy, guys. I didn't even side on it, heater side on it, all type of shit, man. But let me show y'all what I got going on at this moment. These are old amps. Y'all see I got a spot for the 6.5, so if I want to bring other 6.5s to check out and stuff, I would be able to do that in here instead of pulling my speakers out of my truck or something like that, which is a damn hassle. I would be able to take those 2 screws out of each speaker, swap them out, hook them up, and go for what I know. Now, this here is the head unit out of Ghost, the Kenwood, and I also have the Max speeding rods right here. I'm just testing to see which one sounds the best. At the current moment, I have the Lithium charging, and I know a lot of people ask me what happened with this battery. Well, this is what I was saving it for. I do have more cells, and I'm going to build another battery for the car itself, but I was really saving this battery for testing purposes, if that makes sense. So y'all can see this the Black Diamond Audio 2K. I was in the process of hooking it up just to do some testing. Y'all see I got a sub down here because I am gonna put a sub down there, and we're gonna do our sub testing and all that stuff here. There's the tar amps, the Sony, another Black Diamond, and the Pioneer. I got one of the old Ds-18 that came out of my truck. That's where these speakers come from. That ain't hooked up, but these two are. So the battery right now is at 50%. So we're gonna let that charge up for a little while longer. But then again, I may take it out of charge and just let y'all hear what it sounds like right now. Guys, it sounds amazing. So I know on the last couple videos, y'all probably seen it in the background and were like, what the fuck? So yeah, this is the little project me and my son been working on. I'm teaching him how to level shit, you know, how to use the leveler how to use the drill and all that good stuff. Just trying to give some tools for when he get older, when he get his own little spot, he can do something in that nature. Just trying to give some tools, man. But like I say, this is gonna be the testing bench. It's not complete yet. It's still a lot of stuff I got to do to it. There's a lot of stuff I want to do to it, and it's in the making, guys. Like I say, she's sturdy. She ain't going nowhere, and it's gonna be the test bench, guys. Y'all leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what y'all think, man. Like I said, eventually I am gonna buy me another sheet of wood, even though the prices are sky fucking high. I gotta get me a table saw and all that good stuff, guys, because at this point I'm about ready to cut out the middleman. You know, when I say the middleman, I'm talking about like spending money to pay somebody to build the enclosure for me when I can go online and really use the same formula and the same program that they're using and attempt to build my own. Now, granted, experience matters a lot. You really paying for the box builder experience. You paying for his time. You're paying for him to be away from his family, building something for you. You know what I'm saying? That's really what you're paying for, because they could probably whip up a box in a couple of hours and they may charge a certain amount and you may be like, damn, that's high. But you got to think about it. It took years of trial and error, years of them buying wood and messing up sheets of wood and all that stuff to master their craft. And that's totally respectable. But like I've been told y'all, I'm the type of person, I feel like if they can do it, I can do it. And there was one driving force of me starting this channel in the first place, because I seen a lot of guys doing it and they were successful while doing it. And I was like, shit, if they can do it, I can do it. And that's the same way I feel about that. So I am going to be experimenting around with trying to create my own boxes, and I'm going to show y'all them processes too, whether it's a success or it's a damn fail, whatever the case may be. Y'all going to see it, because like I say, I would rather cut out the middleman, which would be more money in my pocket. The only money I'd be spending is the money on the wood itself and probably saw blades or something like that if they break or get dull. Other than that, that's it. You see what I'm saying? So basically, just trying to be self-sufficient around here, man. Trying to be very self-sufficient. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sound like, and y'all leave a comment in the comment section below. All right. I'll hook the charger. And like I said, guys, it's just a temporary set. Well, I ain't gonna say it temporary, because I got this battery locked in. But I'm still experimenting around with how I want to do it. But at this current moment, this how I turn it on. Like I said, at this moment, it's ghetto as hell, y'all. So y'all got to excuse me, but it works. I still got it. I'm gonna put kill switches and all that good stuff on it, but at this moment, I'm still testing the bench itself to try to figure out what I exactly want to do. But I am gonna put kind of like a kill switch panel and all that right here. That way I'll be able to flip on everything when I need it, instead of having to do it ghetto like this. If that makes sense, guys. But as y'all can see, the head unit is on, and these speakers are hooked up only to the head unit at this point. Now, when it comes to testing the 4-channel amp and all that good stuff, I'm gonna have it set up to where I have the 6.5s or the 8s or whatever I'm reviewing or testing. They'll be ready to be ran to a 4-channel to see what they sound like on the amp and all that. And like I say, that'll save me from scraping the holes and shit out of my doors in my truck and taking speakers out. It'll save a lot of headache. I'd rather do it here than there. So, like I said, y'all can see it is on. Let me go and get my other phone, and we're gonna play some music. Let's get it. All right, this my brother Hardaway OG, brand new song. Y'all heard it in the last video at the end, but this is new song. Check him out.
I had came through the jungle and smoked through the trees. I told you, little bitch, and I fly to me. I get high as a bird, talking high, I can see it. And tell you the truth, ain't no hiding me. Country and nigga related to me. in my eyes and I'm crossing my teeth. Keep gas on my nose, keep my eyes on the tree. To tell you the truth, ain't no hotter than me. You're back in your way up to the mic with some tea. I stay in my lane off the dish in the tree. These niggas ain't nothing but biters to me. Michael Pitt in the piss and don't be pedigree. Motherfucking big dog. Michael Pitt in the piss and don't be pedigree. And I'm pissed off. Better watch what you say to me. Love me or hate me, I drop you no fentanyl. And that my little baby, I'm fucking her daily. She loving me while I'm driving her crazy. I ain't tryna go slow, I ain't driving me daisy. Hitting the gate while I'm smacking her ass. Now she calling me daddy, we fucking like crazy. Get to it back, cause this shit so amazing. Me money business, I get to impatient. Money ain't coming, I'm feeling my nation. The whole team they eating, we ain't celebrating. Getting on train, we taking the station. I'm shopping out, we ain't capping the fake. Throwing this head on the motherfucking greatest. She said, backstab, flip flop, wish watching. These people so fucking toxic. That's why I can't trust nobody. Misery, these company, drove back.
Had to turn it down. I couldn't hear this motherfucker, y'all. Jesus Christ.
Been a real nigga since day one. Smelling good, living presidential. A bad man, Mr. Hardaway. Boy, you damn right, better talk to me. I ain't fighting demons, I'm killing demons on demon time. Get right to it. If you ain't talking good energy like an enemy, don't talk to me. Yeah. Take you to the word that I'm saying. I done lost some good folks in the motherfucking world, and the devil ain't motherfucking playing. Just love on yourself, what I'm saying. Fuck what them people be saying. Embrace all the hate, what I'm saying. They better than that, we made it, yeah. They better than that, we made it, yeah. Just love on yourself, what I'm saying. Fuck what them people be saying. Embrace all the hate, what I'm saying. They better than that, we made it, yeah. Yourself, what I'm saying. But what them people be saying. Embrace all the hate, what I'm saying. They're better than them, we made it, yeah. Look out, this talking, brody, them a job. I put it up forever, living large. You be okay, man, to the mind. $25 for a jack. Wearing one, niggas acting like they getting active. No, you know, she ain't tryna let me get a cat. Going on fast cars, cutting up the traffic. One of those, we ain't nothing like these little rappers. Weirdo, you be tryna say but she get at it. Hero, we ain't gonna go back to back. Here go, dancing stars. Fly my Rolls through the hood, that shit look good like right on. Get your own salon, you have that when you want from now on. Tell the police I don't do nothing, I've been selling these songs. Ain't put no cameras on my rap, ain't too much lead on. Fly my Rolls through the hood, that shit look good like right on. Get your own salon, you have that when you want from now on. Tell the police I don't do nothing, I've been selling these songs. Ain't put no cameras on my rap, ain't too much lead on. That's why I got 10 on my mind, I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind, and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind, should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life, amen.
All right, so as y'all can see, it does work. It's nigga red like hell right now, but like I said, I am gonna get a switch panel, man. That way I can have my head unit on the panel. I have my speakers on the kill switch. I'm gonna have everything on the damn kill switch. But I'm working on getting a smart charger or something like that, man. May have to go to Torrance or something like that to get me a smart charger, like a lithium trickle charger or something like that. That way that battery can always stay ready, especially when I hook the subs up to it and all that good stuff. The battery will always stay ready and be ready. But that's what BassAddict been having going on behind the scenes, man. And I am still working on Ghost. And like I said, the very next video, we're gonna be scripting all the old hot wires and all that stuff up out of it, because I am probably the next time I get paid in about another week or so, not this paycheck, but the next paycheck, I'm gonna order me some 4-aught. I'm gonna put some big good thick wire in there, because like I told y'all, I'm planning on at least starting that car with at least a tire of 12K or 15K or something in that nature. Like I said, stay tuned for the next video. They're gonna be coming up in probably like another day after this one, and we're gonna be taking the wires out of Ghost, getting prepared to put some 4-out in it. We're gonna go through there and just do what we got to do to prepare that car to be walled and all the other good stuff, y'all. Y'all have any tips or something, or how I can run my switch panel, or whatever the case may be as far as my testing bench go, y'all leave it in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all think, man. But I think for the most part, me and my son did a pretty good damn job. I'm proud of it, he proud of it, but once I save up some more money, man, I got to get some more 2x4s and some more wood, and we're gonna extend it out a little bit farther on this wall. That way we'll have a little more room to work with when it comes to something else. Yeah, so I got to get a toolbox. I'm gonna get shells for all my screws and my lugs and all that shit. It's gonna be legit, but it's gonna take time, because if y'all ain't been paying attention, man, the world is expensive as fuck. Shit crazy right now, man. Jesus Christ, what's going on? But this your boy BassAddict checking out with a quick update. I know it's a lot of rambling and shit, but I just want to give y'all an update on what's been going on and what's going on in this current time, man. Stay tuned for that Ghost video when we take these wires out. And yeah, I got a couple more subs that I'm gonna review, a couple more 6.5s that I want to review and check out. And this gonna be the spot where we do it at, man. This your boy BassAddict checking out with another one, man. We are
Sweet dreams that can start off as nightmares, yeah. You can voice your opinion, but who really cares, yeah. Niggas saying that I motherfucking been here before. Like I got a whole soul, you know. We cool. Not that same dude back in high school. Trials and tribulation had to make